I'm Adam Matthews with Geneva Rock Products. This is the I-84 Rehabilitation. We're replacing full roadway panels and partial panels, redoing some bridge decks and cattle guards. Currently, we're in phase 1A. It's the outside lanes for the first 5 miles coming into the project and the last 5 miles leaving the project. Then we'll switch to 1B, which will be the inside lanes of that same 5-mile stretch. So after the rotomill machine comes in and strips off the asphalt, we take a smaller layer of asphalt and bridge waterproofing membrane. Then we clean the deck up before we re-waterproof and asphalt. The bridge decks have needed rehabilitation for 10 years or so. Gets a lot of heavy highway traffic, big trucks, and that really takes its toll on the roadway. What I like about Geneva, we're very family oriented. I look forward to seeing everybody every day. I've been here 25 years and you can still have a career in this field whether you go to school or not. To be able to drive down the road with my wife and kids and be like, I built that. It's got a little bit for everybody. You know, we've got a guy in the Traco over here, a lady in the skid steer. It's very diverse. I'm a people person and I like the people I work with.